Hello, in this video, we are going to solve a nice equation a to the power of 3 times a to the power of 6 is equal to 2. So what is the value of a? So let's look at the power here, 3 times a to the power of 6. So we can apply the rule b to the power of m, then to the power of n is equal to b to the power of m times n. It's equal to b to the power of n, then to the power of m. So with this rule, the original equation can go to a to the power of 3, then to the power of a to the power of 6 is equal to 2. So we move 3 into the brackets and we have this equation. So for this kind of equation, we would like to say something to the power of something is equal to something to the power of something on the right side. So we can consider the base is equal to the base, the power is equal to the power. With this idea, we take the square for both sides of the equation, and we have a to the power of 3, then to the power of a to the power of 6, then to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So this is the square of the left side and the square of the right side, and we have this. Again, we can apply the rule, this rule, and 2 is the power, a to the power of 6 is the power, 3 is the power, and then we can move 2 into the brackets, and we have a to the power of 3, then to the power of 2. Then to the power of a to the power of 6 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. And you see here, 3 and 2, and we can apply the rule, and we have a to the power of 6, then to the power of a to the power of 6 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So now we got something we want. This something to the power of something is equal to something to the power of something. Now the question is, can we safely take a to the power of 6 is equal to 2? So the question now goes to how many roots does this equation x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 have when x is positive? So you see right here, x is equal to a to the power of 6. So we will only look at the positive domain of this function. So here I just directly bring up the graph of this function x to the power of x. So it's right here. This is the graph of the function when x is positive, and it decreases in this range and increase in this range. So what we need to evaluate is the upper limit of this graph. So right here at this point, when x tends to be 0, so what is the limit of this function x to the power of x? So it is equal to 1. So this has been talked about in my other videos you may want to check out. So the value, the upper limit right here is 1, and then this side is positive infinity. So the straight line y is equal to 4. So you see here the y coordinate is 4, and the straight line has only one intersection with the graph of x to the power of x in the positive domain. So it's right here, there's only one intersection, and there's only one root for this equation, x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So there is only one root. So we can safely take a to the power of 6 is equal to 2, then a is equal to positive and negative 6 times roots of 2. So here is the final answer, positive and negative 6 times roots of 2. Thanks for watching. I would appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.